So, for the information of the council for the parties, we shall only be holding trial given the inclement weather until 2 p.m. this afternoon, and we shall convene session according to the Senate President at 2:30 p.m. So kindly be aware of the time, Attorney Ligutan, and if at all we reach cross, kindly be aware of the time.
Hanggang 2 p.m.
Ma'am Gina, patuloy po kayo magtetestigo sa ilalim ng pareho niyong pinanumpaan kanina. Naunawaan niyo po yan?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Attorney Ligutan, your witness.
Yes, sir. Okay. I need to get my... Hello? Madam Witness, now, kanina, nabanggit mo na si Colonel Lachica yung nagbibigay sa iyo ng inputs, ano yung isusulat sa plano, at saka sa liquidation, saka accomplishment reports. Kanina rin, if the record will bear me out, in fact, nasabi mo rin na siya rin yung may alam sa pag-i-implement ng mga sinasabi niyong confidential activities. Okay, na pinagagamitan ng confidential funds. Now, yung tanong now is, ma'am, empleyado ba? Empleyado ba ng Office of the Vice President si Colonel Lachica?
Siya po ang itinalaga na security officer ng Office of the Vice President, Your Honor.
Yung
sir.
tanong, I think is simple.
Ma'am Gina, pag sinabi niyong security, sagot niyo po kanina, siya ang commanding officer ng VP-SPG. Sinabi niyo rin po na siya ang security officer ng OVP. Meron po ba siyang appointment at sweldong tinatanggap bilang security officer ng OVP? Wala po.
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor, kung may sahod po siya. Pero ang alam ko, meron po siyang office order na siya po ang security officer ng Office of the Vice President.
Okay. Your witness, counsel?
I think the question is simple, ma'am. Sa alam nyo, sa pagkakaalam nyo, I'm not asking ano yung designation niya. I think you are more than competent to answer this question. Empleyado ba ng Office of the Vice President si Colonel Lachica?
Asking and answered, Your
Your
Honor.
Honor, no answer yet.
Witness will answer, please. Kung alam niyo po, ma'am.
Ang alam ko po, siya po ang security officer, Your Honor. Yung lang po ang alam ko.
That was his answer, counsel. Her answer, rather.
All right, now. Madam Witness, I'm showing you now yung isang letter galing sa Office of the Vice President. May pitsang November 30, 2023. Pirmado ng isang Lemuel Ortonio. We are confronting you with the documents through Attorney J, and the letter is also being shown on our screen.
Assisting counsels may approach.
Now,
Kindly zoom in to the relevant portion.
okay. According to this letter, ma'am, November 30, 2023, nakasulat dyan na as early as to July 2022, yung OVP nakapag-identify na ng mga programa tsaka surveillance activities na sinasabi dyan intertwined with matters of national security. Yung letter is dated November 30, 2023, pero nakasulat dyan as early as July 2022, nakapag-identify ng mga programa. Aware ka ba sa letter na ito? Yes or no? Aware ka? Hindi.
Aware po ako, Your
Now,
Honor.
in fact, aware ka rin na itong letter na ito yung tugon, reply ng OVP through Ortonio sa Audit Observation Memorandum. Aware ka rin yan, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, based sa letter na ito, ma'am, programs tsaka surveillance activities na sinasabi nyo intertwined with national security, sinasabi nyo na-identify na as early as July 2022, and you will agree with me, ma'am, kung July pa lang, 2022, andyan na yan, kailangan sinama nyo. Isinama nyo dapat yan sa Fiscal and Financial Plan para sa fourth quarter ng 2022, which you submitted December 13, 2022, months after na-identify ng office nyo yung mga specific activities. Did you get the question?
Your Honor, saan po dito yung sinabi mo na activities, Your Honor?
Ma'am, nasa screen, these programs, program goals are inextricably intertwined with matters of national security. July,
Assisting counsel, kindly point it
2022.
out on page 2.
Page 2.
Kindly point it out to the witness. What counsel is referring to?
Sir,
Okay.
ano po yung question?
Yung tanong now is, hindi ba dapat isinama nyo ito, yung mga sinasabi nyo mga specific activities sa Fiscal and Financial Plan for the fourth quarter 2022, which is dated December 13, 2022. Isinama nyo ba yan?
Objection, Your Honor. Argumentative, Your Honor.
Rephrase counsel.
Okay.
I get the point of the objection of the counsel. Sustained.
Okay,
Kindly
now.
rephrase.
Hindi po ba those should have been reflected in the Fiscal and Financial Plan for the fourth quarter of 2022.
Same objection, Your Honor.
Ma'am Gina,
Yes, Your Honor.
bakit di nyo po sinama yung mga bagay na yan dun sa Fiscal and Financial Plan ng 2022? Kung Hulyo pa lang, may ganyan na pala, bakit hindi nyo po yan sinama sa 2022 Fiscal and Financial Plan? Fiscal and Financial Plan.
Sir, ito
Ma'am
po
Gina?
ba yung target property alleviation, threats to peace and order, and the promotion of economic development po?
Counsel?
I think the public knows whether the witness has answered the question or not. I will move on, Your Honor, please.
Move forward, Counsel.
Thank you.
Thank
now, Madam, let's go to this cash encashment for the 2020 check encashment para sa 2022 confidential funds. Now, pinapakita sa iyo ngayon yung isang cheque may petsang December 20, 2022. Okay? As well as yung nasa likod ng checking iyan. Okay? Yung checking iyan has been previously marked as Exhibit PI 28, small letter A, and PI 28, small letter A 1. Yung tanong, you personally encashed, ikaw mismo yung nag-encash ng 125 million pesos cash advance ng confidential funds noong December 20, 2022, correct?
Opo, sir.
Mhm. And then, ma'am, na-encash mo yan only pagkatapos yung cheque maibigay sa iyo. Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Tanong, kailan ba na-encash yung checking ito? Di ba? December 20, 2022?
Yes, sir.
And hindi po ba, bago ma-release yung cheque sa'yo, yung checking iyan, kailangan munang iprepara at saka dapat pirmado ng chief accountant. Tama po ba?
Ang nagpirma po,
No, ma'am. The question is, tama po ba na bago nyo ma-release, bago nyo natanggap yung cheque, yung checking iyan, kailangan i-prepare muna, tsaka pirmahan?
giprepare po ng accountant po.
Yes. Okay now. And of course, madam, yung checking iyan, na-prepare lang, napirmahan lang, na-release sa'yo lang, only after the required disbursement voucher had been signed and approved. Tama po ba?
Opo.
If you can remember, ma'am, yung disbursement voucher na pirmahan tsaka na approved same day, December 20, 2022. Tama po ba?
Yung date
Voucher.
ng voucher
Opo.
at saka date ng cheque.
On the same day.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In fact, yun yung disbursement voucher dated December 20, 2022, Exhibit P, I-10A. Now, yung voucher na iyan, permado ng VP Sara Duterte, Julieta Villa del Rey, tsaka Lemuel Ortonio. Tama po ba?
Your Honor, di ko mabasa
Can the
yung
witness
after
be-
my
Assisting
name.
counsel,
Kung Ortonio po yun.
kindly furnish Gina a copy of the disbursement voucher.
It's in her possession at the moment, Your Honor, please.
Voucher.
Disbursement voucher
Voucher.
for the last quarter of 2022, Ma'am Gina.
Primado. Di kasi klaro po yung
Anyways,
perma dito. Ang maklaro ko lang dito, Your Honor, is my perma po.
Yes.
Signature. And then,
Mhm.
may perma po dito ng accountant namin.
Mhm.
Pero yung sa gitna, hindi po kasi klaro dito, Your Honor.
Move on, counsel.
Now, madam, yung disbursement voucher, yung pag-prepare, pag-paperma, tsaka pag-re-release ng cheque, yung date ng cheque, tsaka yung pag-i-encash ng cheque, they all happened on the same day, December 20, 2022. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
How much was the amount encashed on that day? 125 million pesos, di po ba?
Yes po.
You encashed this check sa Land Bank Shaw Boulevard branch. Tama po ba?
Yes po.
Now, listen to this question now. For unusual amounts like 125 million pesos, yung bangko kailangan ma-notify yung bangko isang araw minimum or at least 2 days before ma-encash yung cheque para ma-prepare, maihanda yung cash. Ito yung na-mention ni Miss Violeta Constantino, then Department Manager ng Land Bank Shaw Boulevard when she testified. Do you confirm this practice?
Objection, Your Honor.
What's the objection?
The question is misleading, Your Honor. There's no testimony as to unusual amount, Your Honor.
There was, counsel. There was, counsel.
Not by the witness, Your Honor.
Not by this witness, but by the Land Bank, by the Land Bank executive.
Okay. Hindi po ba? Kailangan mo notify muna yung bangko a day or two?
May we ask the prosecution to repeat the question,
Your
Your
Honor, please, I
Honor?
think there was a ruling.
If she knows,
Yes.
Ma'am Gina, kayo po ba ay nag-i-inform sa bangko o may kailangan po ba mag-inform sa bangko na mag-withdraw kayo ng ganito kalaking pera?
Ganito po, Your Honor, nang handa na po ang cheque, tumawag po ang aming cash division na Ma'am Gina, handa na po ang cheque at pwede mo nang ipa-encash sa bangko.
Mhm. Not responsive? Okay. Now,
Continue, counsel.
by what time did you go to Land Bank on December 20, 2022?
Mga around 2 to 2:30. Nakaabot dito, Your Honor.
2 to 2:30, hindi 3 p.m.
Mga ganyan na, Your Honor.
Your Honor, witness already answered.
Wait, I'm just clarifying because that's what she said in the hearing. Anyway, so it's 2, 2:30, and then when confronted with another option, 3 p.m., yung sagot mo, mga ganyan. So it includes 3 p.m. Tama po ba?
Basta naabot ko dito, Your Honor, mga 2 to 2:30. Ana, Your Honor.
All right. Now, by the time you arrived at the bank on December 20, 2022, yung 125 million pesos in cash nakahanda na, di po ba, for your withdrawal?
Sa pagkaalam ko, nakahanda na kasi
Yes.
tumawag po ang aming cash division, Your Honor, na kunin ko na ang cheque at pwede na ding ipa-in cash sa bangko.
Yes. Ibig sabihin, at least, na-notify ng opisina nyo yung land bank a day before December 20, 2022 na mag-i-encash kayo ng ganung kahalaking halaga. 125 million pesos sa araw na yan, December 20, 2022. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your
Tama
Honor.
po. Now, meaning, yung land bank na-notify na ihanda yung 125 million pesos bago pa man maaprubahan ang disbursement voucher, bago pa man maihanda, mapirmahan, tsaka ma-release ang cheque sa inyo.
Objection, Your Honor, misleading. There's no testimony as regards that.
Objection is sustained, counsel. There's no basis for that yet.
I mean, can I ask what's the basis for them so I can
The court
respond?
already ruled.
The ground for
Snobbish.
objection,
I'm asking you,
counsel, is
what's
misleading.
the-
The basis for that question has not yet been laid. The witness did not say anything about informing the bank before the voucher or checks were prepared.
Okay, anyways, Your Honor, please, we'll move to the next point. Voucher was signed, prepared, check was signed, prepared, released to you on the same day. So, hindi ba iyon? Pag-fast track. Pag-fast track na pag-i-encash ng 125 million pesos on the same day.
Objection, Your Honor. Vague and argumentative.
Overruled. Witness may answer. Court would like to know her answer.
Hindi ba minadali yung pag-disburse ng disbursement voucher, pag-prepara ng cheque, pag-i-encash on the same day, 125 million pesos? Yes or no?
Dumaan po siya sa regular na proseso namin sa office, Your Honor.
Being vague again. Now, as the SDO and Project Accountable Officer, hindi po ba na yung pagmamadaling yan, ikaw yung nag-utos niyan? Tama po ba?
Hindi po ako nag-utos, Your Honor.
Okay. Sino ang nag-utos sa inyo?
Basta gi-process po yun, Your Honor, on a regular processing po, Your
Oh.
Honor.
Ma'am, I think I have to repeat the question, Your Honor, because she did not answer the question. Minadali, may nag-utos. When asked, sino nag-utos, sabi mo, hindi ikaw. I will ask this question again. Yung publiko are very much waiting for an answer. Sino ang nag-utos ng pagmamadali, ng pag-encash, ng checking yan, 125 million sa araw na yan?
Objection,
Wala
Your
po,
Honor.
Your Honor.
Misleading.
Objection is sustained again,
Okay,
counsel.
now.
There is no basis. The pagmamadali did not come from the witness, counsel. It came from your question. She
Your
said
Honor, please.
it went through the regular process of their office. Whether the
Yes.
regular process of their office is that fast or whatever, it's up
Okay.
to her.
Yes, Your Honor, please. I'll now go to the next point. Now, let's go back to the time you encashed 125 million pesos. Pagkatapos ma-verify ng bank teller yung identification at saka pagkatapos i-approve yung pag-i-encash ng checking iyan, di po ba you were instructed na magpunta sa backroom ng bangko
Objection, Your Honor. Misleading, Your Honor. The witness hasn't testified yet. The
I'm asking for
teller
confirmation.
has
It
verified.
may be leading, but it's okay to ask leading questions because this was testified to by another witness from
misleading.
Land Banks that
Don't
she went to
argue
the
with
back room.
judge.
Just to clarify, Your Honor,
Yes.
the objection is grounded on that it is misleading, Your Honor, because there's no testimony yet that the any bank teller verified, Your Honor. There's no testimony yet from the witness, Your Honor.
No testimony. He is asking the witness on the basis of a testimony given before the court counsel by a land bank official that Gina and if I recall correctly, Colonel Lachica and Ortonio went to the back room of the bank. And the bank officer, in fact, if I remember correctly, testified that there was a door leading to the
Exit.
to another exit.
Yes,
I
Your Honor.
presume.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor.
I think
That
there's a
pertains to
ruling.
DepEd counsel.
Your Honor.
Yes.
That may be the case, Your Honor, but it hasn't yet testified by the witness. So, with due respect to the prosecution, the proper basis must be laid, Your Honor.
It already ruled. upon
Modify for this one, counsel.
Okay.
I stand
I will-
corrected with respect to the backdoor testimony that it connected to DepEd. I distinctly remember that, not with the OVP. I stand corrected.
Backroom, Your Honor. I'm asking for the backroom now. Isn't it? Okay. In that afternoon, you were instructed to the backroom of the bank. Di po ba?
Ano po yun? Backroom,
Backroom, oo.
bankroom.
Backroom po, backroom.
Sorry po, sir, ha?
It's okay.
Sorry po.
Attorney Ligudan,
Backroom.
kwarto sa likod o banyo?
Kwarto sa likod.
Kwarto sa...
Wala
backroom.
pong kwarto sa likod, Your Honor.
Okay, now. The question is simple. Saan nyo nakita yung 125 million pesos na in-encash nyo sa araw na iyon sa loob ng bangko?
Doon po sa may likod ng teller, Your Honor.
Yan. Okay, now. Sa likod
Open
ng...
space po,
Okay. Sa likod ng
teller.
teller. Now, ma'am, can you describe for us, to give us a mental picture, how big the pile of 125 million pesos in cold cash is? Ipa-describe.
Sorry, sir, ha? Pero dili kayo ko well-versed sa mga
Well-versed.
measurement.
We
Pero
will help
nakasulod siya sa... Nakalagay siya sa box.
Okay.
Ah,
Yeah, okay.
na nakabandal tag 1
One-
million ang isa ka bundle nga nakaputos, nakabalot og cellophane na silyo pa, silyado pa. Tama po.
Sinasabi mo, ma'am, na hindi ka well-versed sa measurement. Tama po ba? Di ba? Now, I will show you a simulated representation of 125 million pesos. Sinabi mo 1,000 peso bill, di ba? Show that to the screen, please.
I'm sorry.
You tell the public, ma'am, if yung nakita mong 125 million pesos in cold cash.
Your Honor.
Wait. Not done.
Counsel, to finish the question,
Okay.
Attorney
Mhm.
Bacuel.
Can you please confirm if the cold cash you saw 125 million pesos, do they look like that?
Your Honor.
Counsel?
Before the prosecution proceeds with the question, may we just ask as to the source of the photo and how it was generated and produced?
Yes, counsel. Either it is distorted because the 1,000 peso bills look bigger.
Yeah, Your Honor.
Is this AI? Your
I mean,
Honor?
Yes, of course. That is simulated.
Okay.
Is this
Because we don't-
AI?
Wait. because we don't have 125 million pesos in cold cash. So we had to resort to technology.
Is that, Your Honor, artificial intelligence? Is this AI
Yes.
generated?
Yes.
Councils, if you will allow the presiding officer. Ma'am Gina, sabi niyo nakalagay po sa kahon, tigi 1,000 bundle. Ilang kahon po?
2, Your Honor.
Gaano kalaki po yung kahon? Gamitin niyo po yung kamay niyo. Gaano kataas po? Gaano kataas? Gaano kataas po? Yung kamay niyo po sa baba, pakipat yan para makita po namin. Ganyan kataas at ganito kalapad? Kasing lapad po ng witness stand? 125 million po yan. 2 kahong ganyan.
Opo, Your Honor.
Binilang niyo po ba? Tinanggal niyo po ba mula sa kahon o hindi na?
Tinanggal po sa kahon, Your Honor.
Pagkatanggal niyo sa kahon, binalik niyo ba sa kahon?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Saan niyo na nilagay?
Nilagay ko po sa aking 4 na bag.
Ito po yung duffel bag.
Parang traveling bag po, Your Honor, na oblong.
Traveling bag, 4 pong gano'n.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
May proceed, Your Honor.
Your witness, counsel?
Sinabi mo, ma'am, na yung 125 million pesos nakabundle into 1,000 peso bills. Sa isa kang bundle is 1 million pesos. Again, para sa ating mga kababayan na hindi pa nakakita, how does a 1 million pile is?
Counsel, is that an actual thing again or a reproduction?
Your Honor,
Yes, while you're showing the witness, Attorney Bakel.
may we just interpose an objection as regards presenting the witness those props, Your Honor, in as much as the parties are uncertain, the defense is uncertain as to how is that an accurate representation of what the prosecution claims to be, Your Honor.
I will ask that question, Your Honor, please.
Before I rule on the objection, yes, counsel, ask your question. And kindly don't cover Miss Gina.
I'm so sorry. Ma'am, sinabi mo yung 125 billion pesos nakapile by 1 million peso each. Tama po ba?
Opo.
And then, yung bills ginamit is 1,000. Tama po ba? Sinabi mo hindi ka well-versed sa measurement. Yung sabi mo, di ba? Kaya nga, ito yung simulated 10 bundles. The size is similar to 1,000 peso bills. Ma'am, yung 1 milyon, pwede niyo pong hawakan if you want. If you want lang, ha? Ay, lagi dagan, ma'am, ha? Now, yung 1 million pesos, kamukha ba ng isang bundle na ito?
Your Honor,
Wait. Sabi,
Is that your question, Attorney
Yes.
Gutan? Yes, Attorney Bakel.
Your Honor, we manifest that upon the examination of assisting counsel, these appear to be just blue-colored lengthwise papers wrapped in plastic with 10 bundles each. How is this an accurate representation of the size of
Can I
whatever
respond
the
to that?
prosecution claims to be, Your Honor? They are yet
Well-
to lay the proper basis as regards this, Your
Counsel
Honor.
claims it's a mere simulation.
Yes.
If that is an objection, counsel, I will have to overrule the objection. Witness will please answer. Ma'am, parang ganyan po ba yung bundle ng tigi 1,000 winidraw ninyo?
Your Honor, may I know po kung ito po ay is this 100,000?
yes.
This one? Is this
Ma'am, I
100,000?
think we did
Sa
not-
pagkakaalala niyo po, kung tagi 1,000 po yan,
Yes.
10 bundle ng tagi 1,000 na ang kabuuan ay 1 milyon sa isang balot ng plastic. Ganyan po ba yung itsura ng inyong winidraw? Yung bundle po yung bundle.
Basta nakabalot lang po siya ng silupin, Your Honor, tapos binilang po namin.
Ma'am, when you say cellophane, plastic.
Plastic.
Ito, Your Honor.
Kaya nga, so ganyan po yung size.
Oo, nakasilyo po, Your Honor.
Bagong pera po ba, lumang pera?
Bagong pera po, Your Honor.
Okay, so mga ganyan nga po yung size. Yun lang ang tinatanong sa inyo ni Attorney Ligutan. Huwag natin pag-usapan yung bigat, yung hugis.
We'll go into the weight later.
Halos ganyan po ba?
Ganito po, Your Honor. Basta nakabalot po siya ng silopin.
Ma'am, kayo naman. Eh, makita niyo naman kung
Parang
halos parehas eh. Para halos parehas po ba? Yun lang ganun kasimple yung tanong.
May similarity gamay, Your Honor.
Okay.
May manggod siya. Lapad-lapad man ang kwarta.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, Madam Witness. Ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 125 of these bundles, correct? Yung nakita nyo sa hapon na yun, December 20, 2022. Tama po ba?
Unsa?
Yun yung nakita nyo sa
Yeah.
bangko na in-encash ng Office of the Vice President. Cash, cold cash. Sa hapon na yun. Tama po ba?
Ano po? 125 million po to, Your Honor, ang nakita nako. Among giihap.
Yes.
Gibilang po namin, Your Honor.
Yeah, 125.
Your
And then-
Honor.
Just to clarify, Gina, before Attorney Bakel, before I recognize you, bundle count lang po ang ginawa niyo.
Bundle count po, Your
Hindi niyo
Honor.
na po binuksan yung cellophane na sinasabi niyo, yung plastic, binilang niyo na lang po, 125 yung ganun.
Hindi na po, Your Honor. Nakasilyo po kasi siya, Your Honor.
So binilang niyo na nga lang po, 125 na ganun.
Opo, Your Honor.
Hindi na isa-isa. Hindi niyo na binilang isa-isa yung bill. Yung tigi 1,000.
Dili natin
Hindi na po.
Hindi
Okay.
na.
Attorney Bakel, yes. What is your comment or objection?
Your Honor, may we respectfully ask if the props could already be removed, Your Honor, as it's not necessary for the testimony of the witness.
It is, Your Honor. It is.
Are you done
very
yet
much.
with that, with your
Not yet, Your
simulation,
Honor.
counsel?
Not yet. Not yet.
Okay.
Now,
Wind it up.
yes. Now, I'm sure, Madam Witness, with your figure, kanang imong kadakon sa lawas, ma'am, you would not be able to bring yung kadami-daming 125 million pesos in cold cash na iyan. Tama po ba?
Tama po.
Now, who were with you in the bank yung moment na iyan?
Your Honor, ibig sabihin pa kung sinong kasama ko pagpunta sa bangko.
Yung nasa bangko na, sa loob ng bangko, kaharap yung 125 million pesos in cold cash. Sino yung kasama mo from the Office of the Vice President kung meron man?
Your Honor, before the
Yes,
witness
Attorney
may
Bakel.
answer, Your Honor, the question of the prosecution is totally unrelated to the use of the props, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
may we
I
just
am
request,
going
Your Honor?
there.
I'm still not finished. May we just the defense respectfully request, Your Honor, that these be removed until the relevant question is interposed, considering
So we
that the witness has the right to be respected as well in the
Wait.
proceedings, Your
I
Honor.
think I
offense
see,
to that.
Attorney Bakel, I think the court sees well, Attorney Ligutan is getting to, get to it, Attorney Ligutan.
Yes. Okay,
Miss
now,
Gina, may kasama po ba kayong ibang tao mula sa OVP nung pinik up niyo yung pera?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Sino po?
Si Asik Ortonio po, Your Honor.
Okay,
Okay.
Attorney Ligutan, your witness.
okay, now, walang membro ng VP SPG. Okay, yung kasama nyo, yung Vice Presidential Special Protection Group, kasama nyo sa loob ng bangkong iyan. Tama po ba?
Wala, Your Honor, pero ang aming driver po ay member po ng BPSPG.
Yes, ma'am. Now, even with such large amount of money, hindi nyo naisipan na mag-request ng isang or maraming escort na sasama sa inyo sa bangko tsaka lalabas with those bills. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor, argumentative.
Oh, Your Honor.
Overruled, counsel. Witness will answer.
Ang gisama ko po, Your Honor, nakisuyo po ako, nasamahan po ako ni Asik Ortonio.
Ortonio lang.
Nakiusap ka, nasamahan ka ni Asik Ortonio.
Yes, Your Honor.
How did you bring out of the bank yung that 125 million pesos?
Your Honor, po di ulitin ang question.
Okay, paano nyo inilabas ng bangko yung 125 million pesos na iyan?
May tumulong po sa akin, Your Honor.
Oh. Okay now. Sino yung tumulong sa inyo?
Yung security
Okay
ng
na.
land bank po, Your Honor.
This is the question now. Okay. Yung 125 million pesos na iyan, did you put it into bags or you brought them out one by one?
Nailagay po yun sa 4 na bag, Your Honor.
4 na bag. So, hindi po hand carry lang yung bills na yan.
Hindi, Your
Okay, so
Honor.
now we will give in to what the defense wants, Your Honor, please. Having been satisfied that this person cannot bring out of the bank using her own 2 hands these bills, no, we can now. Attorney J,
Assisting
you
counsel.
may now remove.
Proceed, counsel.
Okay, now, you said you put them sa mga traveling bags. Ilang bags? 4 po, di ba?
4, Your Honor.
Can you describe to us yung size ng mga traveling bags na ito?
Ganito, Your Honor.
Ganyan.
Paoblong.
Okay, now. Okay, paublong. I will show you now representation of 125 million pesos inside 4 traveling bags. Ito yung tanong now. Okay. 4 traveling bags with bills, 1,000 peso bills inside them. Yung hapon na yun, ma'am, maalala nyo ba, Miss Gina F. Acosta, kung yung na-withdraw nyo na 125 million pesos na isinilid nyo sa 4 traveling bags, do they look like this?
Before you answer,
Being flashed on
Gina,
screen.
counsel for respondent.
Your Honor, we interpose the same objection as regards the use of AI-generated imagery, Your Honor, without laying the proper basis as to how it accurately represents what the prosecution claims to be, Your Honor.
No,
it has no basis, Your Honor.
The court will simply note the objection of counsel, and counsel, the court will also take note of your continuing objection with respect to the use of AI-generated representations
Yeah.
of what he is asking the witness about. If it shows closely or not, what bag she used to bring out the 125 million.
Opo.
With your permission, counsel, court will note your continuing objection, the use of AI representations.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you so much.
Counsel will please, witness will please answer, Ma'am Gina. Parang ganyan po ba yung 4 na bag na pinaglagyan nyo?
Hindi ganyan, Your Honor, kasi ang opening niyan is round.
Opo.
Yun po.
Ang sa akin, ang dinala ko po na bag is pag ganun po ang zipper.
Pahaba. Yung kabuuan ng bag. Okay, number 1, yun ang isang pagkakaiba. Kulay,
Kulay black.
pareho. At 4 na bag, kumasa yung 125.
4 po na bag, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Ma'am, in putting the bills inside the bag, okay, sino ba yung tumulong sa paglalagay ng mga bills, yung 1,000 peso bills, sa mga bags na ito? Sino yung gumawa niyan?
Ako po, Your Honor, ang naglagay ng mga pera sa bag.
Alright. May membro ba ng VPSPG na tumulong sa iyo sa paglalagay ng mga bills na yan sa bag?
Wala, Your Honor.
Then, how long did it take for you to put all the 125 million pesos into the bags?
Hindi ko maalala, Your Honor.
Maaalala niyo po ba, kasi sa kayo naglagay doon, maaalala niyo po ba gaano ba kabigat yung isang bag containing piles of 1,000 peso bills piled into 1 million each?
Basta mabigat po, Your
Mabigat.
Honor.
What about 30 kilograms per bag? Kung maalala mo.
Di ko exactly maalala, Your Honor.
Alright. Ikaw ba ay nagkarga ng isa sa mga 4 bags na ito?
Wala, Your Honor.
Oh, so sino yung nagkarga?
Bali, ganito po. Yung kung ang pera ay nandiyon na sa lahat na nailagay na po sa 4 na bag. Sa dihang on a while na ilabas ko na po, Your Honor, tumulong po sa akin ang 2 security guard, Your Honor. Ginano nila, Your Honor, papunta sa entrance ng bangko kung saan naghintay po ang aming sasakyan, Your Honor. Tapos ako, Your Honor, nagtanaw sa 2 ka security, Your Honor.
Alright. Now, what about Libel Ortonio? Ano ba yung ginawa niya kung meron man sa paglalabas ng 4 bags containing 125 million pesos in cold cash? May naitulong ba si Ginoong Libel Ortonio?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala. Again, walang escorts, no request for escort. Di po ba?
Wala, pero ang amo ang driver, Your Honor, is a member of BPSPG.
Isang driver.
Duha, Your Honor.
2
2
drivers. Okay. Aside from these 2 drivers, yung tanong ko is, aside from the 2 drivers, walang ibang membro ng BPSPG.
Asked and answered, Your Honor.
Asked and answered,
Okay.
Counsel.
What time did you leave the bank?
Ano, Your Honor?
Anong oras kayo lumabas ng bangko?
Di ko exactly maalala, Your Honor.
Hindi mo maalala. Now, galing sa trolley, di ba? Papunta ng mga sasakyan. Okay? Sino yung nag-transfer ng mga bags na yan?
Misleading, Your Honor. There's no testimony as to the trolley.
I
or-
did hear trolley as well,
I
Counsel.
will reform, Your Honor. Now, sino ba yung nag-transfer galing sa bangko papuntan sa sasakyan, okay, ng 4 bags na yan?
Asked and answered, Your Honor.
Attorney Gina, with the indulgence of counsels, sabi niyo wala kayong binuhat sa 4 na bag. Tama po?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala
Kadili
rin
ko
binuhat si Ginoong Ortonio sa 4 na bag.
Wala, sabi, Your Honor.
Ang nagbuhat, 2 security guard ng bangko.
Sila po ang tumulong sila, Your Honor.
Tig 2 bag ang binuhat nila o may trolley silang ginamit?
Di kayo ko ka-remember kung nagamit sila og trolley, Your Honor. Ang ma-remember ko, Your Honor, gidrag nila ang 2 ka bag. Tapos,
They drug it.
2 bag kada guard.
opo, Your Honor.
Isahang labasan yung 4 na bag.
Sabay po sila, Your Honor, at nandun po ako, Your Honor, nagsunod-sunod sa ila, nagtanaw, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Okay. Your
Alright.
witness, counsel.
Now, so, paano nyo dinala yung 4 bags na yan galing Land Bank Shaw Boulevard papunta sa pinuntahan nyo after that?
Gisakay.
Sinakay sa
Amo ang service, Your Honor.
service. Pag sinabing service, ibig yung sabihin, sasakyan.
Opo.
Ilang sasakyan kung meron man?
2, Your Honor.
Kaninong sasakyan yung pinagsakyan ng perang iyan?
Sa OBP, Your Honor.
OVP. Sumakay ka ba sa similar sa parehong sasakyan together with Lemuel Ortonio?
Ako nagsakay sa isang sasakyan, Your Honor. Tapos si Ortonio po nagsakay sa isang sasakyan, Your Honor.
Saan kayo nagpunta after that?
Nagpunta po kami sa office po ng OBP.
office of the Vice President. Anong oras kayo dumating doon? If at all?
Mga, nakaabot mi dito mga 4.
Umabot kami doon
plus
at 4.
konti.
Okay, 4 or 4 o'clock ng konti?
4 plus ng
4 plus
hapon.
ng hapon. 4 plus ng hapon. Who assisted you, kung meron man, in transferring the bags from the cars to the office of the Vice President? Kung meron man.
Pagdating ko doon sa Port Law, Your Honor, sa office po kasi namin, meron pong talagang naka-duty na mga BPSPG.
Mhm.
So, nang naka-arrive na kami sa fourth floor, Your Honor, open na ang car, tapos nakita ng BSPG na nag-action ako na kunin ang bag. Nakita nila na dili ko kaya. Tumulong po ang dalawang BPSPG, Your Honor,
Mhm.
na ang bag makuha doon sa sasakyan, tapos ilagay namin sa trolley.
And then?
Tapos, sakay na kami, Your Honor, sa elevator na hindi tao ang sumasakay. Ano yung service elevator, Your
Service
Honor.
elevator.
Sakay
Okay,
na
now.
kami.
Saan nyo dinala yung pera?
Dinala ko po sa aking extension office, Your
Extension
Honor.
office. Yung 4 traveling bags.
Opo, Your
Now,
Honor.
ito yung tanong now, Madam Witness. Hindi po ba, noong November 25, 2024, Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability hearing, sinabi nyo dun, please show the TSN, that's right after encashment, pagkatapos pong ma-encash yung 125 million pesos, tinawagan mo sino?
CSO officer, Your Honor.
Colonel
La
Lachica.
Chica.
To quote, sinabi mo doon, you called him and you told him na eto na yung, ready na yung 125 million pesos. Tama po ba?
Sinabihan ko po siya, Your Honor, na na-encash ko na po ang cheque for the confidential funds.
Yes, ma'am. Question. Ikaw yung special disbursing officer. Ikaw yung nag-prepare ng confidential, yung physical financial plan. Hindi mo masabi kung empleyado ba. Hindi mo masagot-sagot yung napakasimpleng tanong kung empleyado ba si Colonel Lachica. The question is, why did you have to call Colonel Lachica to inform him, Colonel Lachica, ready na ang 125 million pesos? Bakit?
Kasi po, may instruction po sa taas, Your Honor, ng aking head of agency na kung ma-encash ko po ang cheque, i-release ko po kay Sir La Chica, kinsa iyang gi-designate nga special officer po, a security officer po sa Office of the Vice President na siya i-order, Your Honor.
Okay, ma'am. Sabi mo, tinawagan mo si Colonel Lachica kasi yun yung utos ng head of agency. Siguro sa ating mga kababayan na hindi alam, sino ba? Sino ba ang head of agency na nag-utos sa'yo as the special disbursing officer na ibigay yung 125 million pesos in cold cash sa isang security officer, Colonel Raymond Dante Lachica?
Ang nag-utos po sa akin na i-release ang pera na 125M sa security officer na si Colonel Lachica ay si Ma'am Sara Duterte.
You turned over 125 million pesos to Colonel Lachica precisely para siya yung mag-disburse ng 125 million pesos for the supposed confidential activities ng Office of the Vice President. Tama po ba?
Misleading, Your Honor.
What?
Why is it misleading, counsel?
Your Honor, the witness has yet to testify on anything
Uy.
that the
I'm leading her.
question is premised on, Your Honor.
Overruled, counsel. Witness said that she was instructed by the head of agency, the vice president, to give the money to, anong word ginamit niyo, ma'am? Transfer?
Release.
Release. To release the money to Colonel Lachika. Proceed, counsel.
Now, hindi po ba na nag-testify ka rin sa November 25, 2024 Committee on Good Government hearing na binigay mo yung 125 million pesos kay Colonel Lachika kasi si Lachika lang yung may alam, siya lang yung may alam on how to implement yung confidential activities. Di po ba?
Yes po.
Yes
Siya
po.
po ang expert.
Oh, wait. You can explain po later, ma'am, ha? Okay,
Sorry
now.
po.
And you only came to know that Colonel Lachika knows how to implement the confidential activities. Nalaman nyo lang na si Colonel Lachika yung may alam paano i-implement yung confidential activities precisely because yun yung sabi sa inyo ni VP Inday Sara Duterte. Tama po ba?
Kasi po ang
Wait,
security.
Ma'am, with all due respect po pwede pong sagutin ng yes or no without explanation. Ma'am, I will allow you, pero pwede po bang sagutin po muna? Yes or no? I will allow you to explain.
Your Honor, the witness is answering, Your Honor. May the witness be allowed to finish her answer?
She already started answering, counsel. Let her answer and you can continue with your direct. Kindly answer. Pakisagot po, Ma'am Gina. Yung katanungan.
Your Honor, may I request to repeat the question, Your
Okay,
Honor?
Ulit na lang po, Attorney
I
Ligutan.
will. Nalaman mo na si Colonel Lachika yung may alam paano i-implement yung confidential activities. Kasi nga, yun yung sabi sa inyo ni VP Sara Duterte. Tama po ba?
Yes, siya po ang security officer na sinabi ni Vice Presidente.
Alright, now, I'm showing you yung transcript, page 140 this time. Do we have it? Page 140. Tanong sa inyo, Representative Luis, then why did you give all the money to Colonel Lachika? Yung sagot niyo was, because po may utos po ni Ma'am Inday Sara na sa kanya ko po i-release kasi siya po ang nakakaalam kung paano po i-implement ang mga programs and activities in line po sa confidential activities. You confirm that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Madam, since si Lachika yung may alam paano i-implement yung project under confidential funds, siya din yung nag-implement ng mga confidential activities. This time, ma'am, hindi na 2022. This time, for 2023, correct?
Same question, Your Honor.
Okay, I will repeat the question. Since sabi mo, ipinabigay ni VP Sara yung pera kay Lachika kasi siya yung may alam paano i-implement yung confidential activities. Okay, now, yung tanong is, si Colonel Lachika din, yung nag-implement ng lahat ng confidential activities, this time, ma'am, para sa taong 2023. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your
Tama
Honor.
po. Now, this is the question now. You will agree that handling tsaka yung pagdi-disperse ng 500 million pesos
500.
na pera ng bayan, ma'am, pondo ng bayan, hindi iyan trabaho ng isang security officer kagaya ni Colonel Lachika. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor.
What's the objection?
Counsel, what's the objection?
Your Honor, the objection is grounded that it's argumentative and it calls for a conclusion, Your Honor.
Kindly modify, counsel. It is
Okay, now.
argumentative. You can modify and get
Yes,
the
ma'am.
response you want from the witness.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Now, Madam Witness, hindi po ba na base sa paragraph 3.27 ng Joint Circular 2015, please flash that one. Yun yung trabaho ng isang security officer. Refers to a personnel who by reason of his duty or employment has been officially designated to have access to security information. Tanong, andyan ba dyan nakasulat na po pwedeng yung isang security officer yung mag-i-implement ng confidential activities tsaka yung magdi-disburse ng confidential funds ng isang ahensya like the Office of the Vice President?
Same objection, Your Honor. Argumentative and calls for a conclusion.
If she knows, counsel, because she answered that she based her actions on the based on JC 2015-1. Ma'am Gina, pakisagot po yung tanong. Bahagi po ba ng trabaho ng security officer ayon sa Joint Circular ang tumanggap ng confidential at mag-implement ng confidential funds?
Siya po ang may alam, siya po ang eksperto, Your Honor, sa pagpatupad po ng confidential operation and activities, Your Honor. Kasi siya po ang may access when it comes to national security, Your Honor.
Ayon po kanino, ma'am? Ayon sa Joint Circular, ayon sa interpretasyon nyo, o ayon sa utos sa inyo?
Ayon po sa Joint Circular, Your Honor.
Saan po sa Joint Circular? Alam niyo po?
At saka, ayon po sa utos ng head of agency kasi meron po siyang security officer na order, Your Honor.
Counsel, your witness.
Of course, iisa-isahin natin yan. Sinabi mo nasa Joint Circular, yung basihan, na po pwede yung security officer, okay, mag-disburse ng confidential funds. Ma'am, I will give you all the time you will need. Basahin. 2015 circular. Saan dyan? Saan dyan makikita? Yung sinasabi mong pwedeng security officer yung maggasta, disburse ng confidential funds.
Your Honor, based po sa aking nalalaman sa GC, ako po ang special disbursing officer. Ang gawain ko po, Your Honor, is to disburse. Pero ang pag-implement po ng mga confidential operation activities in related to confidential funds, yan po ay saklaw po sa trabaho po ng isang security officer kasi wala po akong alam, hindi ako eksperto, Your Honor, sa pagpatupad ng various confidential activities or operations on the grounds, Your Honor.
Okay, I will tailor, I'll make this narrower. Yung pagdi-disperse, yung pagbabayad, paggagamit ng confidential funds, based sa circular, trabaho ba yan ng isang security officer?
As in answered, Your Honor.
If wala pa,
Overruled. Witness will please answer.
Ano po yan?
trabaho po ba ng isang ng isang security officer yung paggamit ng confidential funds, pag-disburse ng confidential funds? Trabaho po ba yan based sa circular?
Basta ang trabaho ko, Your Honor, ako po ang disbursing officer, Your Honor. Ang pagpa-implement po ng various confidential activities in relation po sa confidential fund, Your Honor, ay saklaw po sa trabaho ng security officer, Your Honor. Kasi
Ma'am Gina.
confidential po yun, Your Honor.
Ma'am Gina, ang tanong po, trabaho ba ng security officer gastusin, i-release, ilabas yung confidential fund na dinisburse po ninyo? Kung oo po, saan sa joint circular nakalagay yun?
Ano yun, sir?
Trabaho po ba ng security officer gastusin yung nirelease yung confidential fund? Iba po yung implement. Siyempre, siya yung magagawa ng surveillance. Siyempre, siya po yung kukuha ng mga operative na sa intelligence. Pero yung paggastos po, trabaho po ba ng security officer gastusin yung dinisburse ninyong confidential fund?
Hindi po, Your Honor. Trabaho po yung ng disbursing officer, Your Honor. Pero, pag na-release ko na po ang pera sa kanya, Your Honor, pinareceive ko sa kanya, Your Honor, magbigay po siya sa akin ng utilization report, Your Honor. Yun po ang ang signed or evidence, Your Honor, na nagawa, na-implement na po niya, Your Honor, ang mga various confidential activities or operations, Your Honor, sa ground kasi siya po ang expert, Your Honor.
So sa pananaw po ninyo, ang ginamit niyo pong salita, release.
Yes,
Yung
Your
pag-release po nyo ng pera kay Colonel Lachica, dapat i-liquidate na po niya yun?
I-liquidate po niya, Your Honor, after po, matapos po ang pagpa-implement ng various confidential activities po sa ground, Your Honor. Kasi siya po ang eksperto, Your Honor.
Pero siya po ang gumastos ng pera sa iba't ibang nakatanggap ng confidential fund. Tama po.
Ano yun, Your Honor?
Siya po ang gumastos ng pera at nag-abot ng pera sa iba't ibang pinagbigyan niya base sa intelligence at confidential operations niya. Tama po ba?
Siya po, Your Honor, kasi siya po ang may alam kung paano po i-implement ang mga confidential operations activities, Your Honor. Kasi confidential po yun, Your Honor. Wala
Hindi po ba
akong
sang-ayon
alam.
sa joint circular, kayo dapat ang nagdi-disburse direkta sa beneficiary o recipient?
Hindi naman po sinabi, Your Honor, na ako ang magpunta doon sa ground, Your Honor. Kasi wala po akong alam, Your Honor, kung ipapatupad. Wala po akong security. Wala po akong access, Your Honor, sa tinatawag na national security information, Your Honor.
Huling katanungan po kaugnay nito bago kayo ipasa kay Atty. Lagutan. Sa pananaw niyo po ba, sa pag-release niyo kay Colonel Lachica, recipient si Colonel Lachica ng confidential fund o ginampanan po niya yung tungkulin niya sa pag-disburse lamang?
Nalibog ko. I'm sorry. I'm
Recipient po ba
confused.
si Attorney Lachica, si Colonel Lachica, o tagapagbigay lang siya ng perang ni-release niyo sa kanya?
Wait.
Yung pera po ba'y tinanggap ni Colonel Lachica para sa sarili niya?
Hindi, Your Honor.
Tinanggap po niya para ipamigay sa ibang tao?
Tinangka po niya, Your Honor, para po, Your Honor, sa mga gastusin in relation po sa pagpatupad ng confidential activities or operations, Your Honor. Kasi siya po ang may alam, Your Honor, at saka confidential in nature po, Your Honor.
So sa pananaw po ninyo, hindi siya recipient, si Colonel Lachica.
Yun po ang explanation ko sa iyo kanina, Your Honor.
Hindi nga po siya recipient.
Dili, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ili is hindi. Now, you said,
Attorney
may I proceed,
Lagutan?
Your Honor? You said that you gave the 125 million pesos to Colonel Lachica. Siya yung nag-disperse. Sabi mo kanina, una, kasi yun yung nakasulat sa Joint Circular 2015-01. And then, sabi mo, and that not only that, sinabi mo rin, kasi yun yung utos ng head of agency, si VP Inday Sara. Now, you were asked saan sa circular nakasulat na po pwedeng mag-disperse ng confidential funds. Isang security officer, hindi mo mahanap. Tama po ba? Tama
Ask
po ba,
and
ma'am?
answer,
Yes or
Your
no?
Honor.
Yes or no? This is a premise to the next question, Your Honor.
Witness may answer, counsel.
Yes or no?
Pakisagot po, Ma'am Gina. Kung hindi niyo po naunawaan, paulit niyo po yung
Wala
tanong.
sa Circular 2015-01 nakasulat dyan na po pwedeng si Colonel Lachica as security officer yung mag-disburse ng confidential funds. Wala dyan. Wala dyan. Yes or no?
Wala, Your Honor.
So therefore, we are left with only the remaining reason why you gave the confidential funds to Colonel Lachica. Kasi yan. You said yung pangalawang rason.
Hindi, dalawang rason po ang ibig sabihin ko, sir.
Okay, ma'am, no question yet. Hindi po tayo nag-aaway.
Yes po.
You gave the 125 million pesos kasi utos ni VP Sara sa'yo. Tama po ba?
Isa po yan sa rason, sir.
Yes or no?
Ask
Yes.
and answer, Your Honor.
Despite nothing
Let the witness
in the
answer.
circular. Yes or no?
Argumentative and ask and
I
answer,
will ask
Your
this
Honor.
question.
Please answer the question, Madam Witness. It's quite easy to answer.
Unsa to, sir?
Despite
Ano
not
po?
being in the circular na po pwedeng sila Chica yung mag-disburse ng confidential funds, binigay mo pa rin sa kanya. Tama po ba?
Dili na ko ihatag, Your Honor, kung wala siya gi-appoint nga security officer, Your Honor.
Or
That's
is
her
it-
interpretation, counsel.
Yes.
That's her interpretation and reason why she gave it to Colonel Lachica.
Or is it because you cannot dare question the Vice President's instruction.
Objection, Your Honor,
There is
argumentative.
more than
I
willing to
would
answer that.
sustain it because it was asked and answered already. She gave two reasons, Counsel. Number one, that Colonel Lachica is the one who knows how to implement it. Tama po. And number two, dahil inutos sa kanya ng Vice President bilang head of agency. Tama po, Ma'am Gina?
Tama po, Your
Yun
Honor.
po yung dalawang rason ba't niyo binigay kay Colonel Lachica.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Now, Madam Witness, I'm showing you now a video, okay, where you said you entrusted the confidential funds in the amount of 125 million pesos to a security officer because the Vice President directed you to do so, and you merely complied. Can we play that?
Comply?
Wait po. Wala pa po. Wala pang question.
Sorry. Sorry po.
It's okay po. No need to be sorry po.
Counsel, you have 3 minutes. Is this your last
Yes, Your Honor.
question
Last
for the
word
afternoon?
For this afternoon. Let's play it.
And then, since part of your job as a special disbursing officer is the disbursement of this amount, please enlighten us. Paano nyo po ginastos, ibinayad, inirelease itong 125 million pesos?
Ganito po ang nangyari, ma'am. Nang ma-encash na po ang kwarta, ang pera ay ang cheque, nag-inform po ang aking head of agency na i-release ko po sa aming security officer. So while on the way na po ako papuntang office, I called up the security officer informing him na na-encash ko na po ang cheque.
You informed the security officer?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you please mention the name of the security officer? Si Colonel Nolasco din ho ba yan?
Hindi po, ma'am.
Sino po yan?
Si Colonel Lachica po.
Colonel Lachica. Can you please enlighten the committee? Sino po ba si Colonel Lachica?
Si Colonel Lachica po ay, siya po ang ground commander ng aming BPSPGs na na-assign po sa Office of the Vice President.
Okay. So you informed Colonel Lachica that you have encashed already the check.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
about the physical handing of the money?
Mm.
Kailan po nangyari yan?
December 20 din po.
Magkano po ang binigay nyo kay Colonel Lachica?
Binigay ko po sa kanya lahat ang 125 million po.
At saan po dinala ni Colonel Lachica?
Yan ang hindi ko na alam, ma'am.
Sandali lang po. Anong oras po ba kayo nakabalik sa OVP?
Mga around 4 p.m.
4 p.m.
Opo.
How long did it take you?
I think that's it, Counsel.
Okay. We go, which one? Okay. Let's go to a next video for this point, Your Honor, please. That is, can we show it?
Million po.
You were able to check if the items and the amounts provided in the object of expenditure total to 125 million. You checked that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tanong, Ms. Acosta, what gave you the confidence? Ano ang nagbigay sa inyo ng lakas ng loob na ibigay ang buong 125 million kay Colonel Lachica, considering that he is not the accountable officer because it is you who is the accountable officer?
May approval po kay Ma'am Inday Sara.
And without the approval of the Vice President, will you give that to Colonel Lachica?
Hindi po.
Do you know Colonel Lachica?
Yes po.
Okay. And lastly, last point, Your Honor, please. At TSN, page 137 of the TSN, marked as P1, PI 1G for the prosecution, please. That'll be the last item for this afternoon for the prosecution. Show it, please. Do you trust Colonel Lachica, Representative Luistro, Acosta? I trust Lachica. I trust Lachica kasi ginatrust po siya ng aking head of office, Inday Sara. Representative Luistro, in other words, the only reason why you're giving your trust to Colonel Lachica is because of the instruction of the Vice President. Ms. Acosta, yes ma'am. Luistro, tama mo ba? Acosta, yes ma'am. Luistro, without the instruction of the Vice President, you will never give the entire amount of the 125 billion pesos to Colonel Lachica. Ms. Acosta, what was your answer to that question?
Nadia, sir.
Basahin mo.
Yes, ma'am.
That will be all for the prosecution this afternoon.
But you will still continue with your direct tomorrow, Counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thereafter, we will proceed with the cross of counsel for respondent. Ma'am Gina, pansamantala po kunyong pagpapaliban yung inyong testimonya. Balik po kayo bukas, ha?
Opo, Your Honor.
Kung maaari po, yan ang nasa bisa pa rin ng parehong sabinang inisyo po namin para po hanggang sa bukas. Para ipagpatuloy po nyo inyong testimonya sa hukumang ito.
Yes,
Okay
Your
po, ma'am?
Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. You're excused, ma'am. Pwede na po
Salamat
kayong bumaba
po.
sa
Salamat
witness
po.
stand. Just for some administrative matters, the court is in receipt of a 13 August letter of Mr. Lemuel Ortonio asking for leave or to be excused from attending the hearing this week because he is going to take a scheduled psychologist licensure exam administered by the PRC. Given that we are not yet through with Ms. Gina Acosta, and we still have witness Eduardo Fajarda. Court finding merit in the request and good faith on the part of Ortonio hereby grants the request of Mr. Ortonio so that he can take his licensure exam this week. The court will, however, inform him in advance that we will be issuing a subpoena for him to attend this hearing on Monday after he shall have taken his licensure exam. And a second matter, for the information of the senator, judges, and the parties, the clerk of court has completed the comparison of the acknowledgement receipts marked as exhibits by both parties. Based on the acknowledgement receipts so far submitted, it appears that there are 3,616 common acknowledgement receipts, 2,666 pertaining to the Office of the Vice President, and 950 pertaining to the DepEd. All ARs are marked by the counsel for the respondent, have corresponding ARs from the panel of prosecutors. We note, however, that out of the total of 4,492 acknowledgement receipts of the prosecution, 876 have no counterpart acknowledgement receipts from the respondent. We shall be furnishing both parties with a copy of the clerk of court's findings as well as the senator judges for your information and reference. Forgive us, given the inclement weather, we will be adjourning session early in the Senate also by instruction of the Senate President. That's why we're adjourning trial again. Also, a bit earlier today. We will see you tomorrow unless trial is canceled or unless session is canceled due to inclement weather. For the meantime, there being no other business to be taken up, trial is hereby adjourned until tomorrow, August 18, at 10 o'clock in the morning.